In this video, we are going to discuss assignment operators, which include the following. So I'll just remove the following code. And I'll demonstrate the assignment operators using code. So let me just start by having let a of 7 and let b equals to. So we'll have a set to a plus b. Then I'd have console.log so that you can see the value. So let me just have, and I can open our console. So inspect, then we can see the value is 9. So we want to see the alternative of writing this one. So this is the same as, let me just have that one commented. So that is the same as a plus equal. We just have spacing. So as you can see, it's still giving 9. So this one is the same as this one. You can declare it using a plus equal sign, then b, to have it as a short form of this one. So we are going to demonstrate with other operators too. So let me just now comment everything. Then I'll have let m a equals 7. Let me just copy. So I'll use this one to demonstrate minus. So then we can print it on the screen using console. So as you can see, the value is it's giving us a value of 5. So we want to demonstrate this one is the same as a set to minus equal sign b. So this one is also giving us 5. Yeah, I will also copy this. To demonstrate multiplication, let me comment everything. So if you want to comment multi-line, you just press Ctrl / in Windows. So you'll have this one set to multiplication. So you'll have console.log, then display our value. So our value is 14, 7 times 2. Then this one is the same as Ctrl / this one is the same as a times equal sign b. So it's still giving us a value of 14. So we are going to demonstrate division. So division follow the same procedure as we have been doing with these other operators. So let equal let me just copy and paste. Now I will have division console dot log to see the value of a is now 3.5, as you can see. So if I comment this one, you can have it as a equal, not equal but divide, sign, then equal b. So this one will also give us the same value 3.5. So let me just comment this one and demonstrate modulus. Modulus is the operator for obtaining the remainder of a division. So for modulus, you'll have the same thing. So modulus is the percentage sign. Then I will console log the value console log and have. So as you can see, we have 1 as the remainder. So using a semicolon at the end of our statement is optional, but it's a good practice in coding to have it. So let me just as you can see at the left, it's in this other console.log statement. So it's basically optional, but it's advisable to use it if you are doing professional coding. So here I will comment this line. Then I will have a, then modulus sign equal b. So this one will also give us the remainder of 1. So by that I've demonstrated assignment operators. The last but not least, I want to have power. So let me just copy this one, demonstrate the power operator. Okay. So we'll have the 2 asterisks. Then I will console log the value. It's giving us 49. So this one is the same as having a, then the operator sign, double asterisk, equal sign, b. So that is also giving us 49. By that I have demonstrated assignment operators, and that is how you can use them in your code.